Hey, good morning everybody. Beautiful day here in the backyard. Gonna work on some board replacement on my aging fence. Got a couple of boards here that are dry rotted on the bottom and big holes here. I got some little dogs we don't want to get out. So we're gonna be using my handy 18 volt Ryobi cordless drill. Now if you don't have one of these, guys, these are super lightweight, super powerful. Got a lot of torque settings here on the top, and I've just got a standard Phillips head screwdriver bit in here right now. It's got a little built-in light on it right here to if you're working in the dark or in a house somewhere with no electricity, then the little light will shine on what you're doing and help you. This has got forward and reverse. It does not come with the battery. You have to buy the battery separately, but yeah, this is the One Plus system, so any other 18 volt Ryobi products, this battery will work in those also. So you just need to have a Ryobi charger and an 18 volt battery. Always good to have a spare. And this is a really powerful little cordless drill here. My wife uses it a lot, my son uses it, the whole family uses it, right? It was my present, but everybody uses it. That's all right. So the Ryobi cordless drill works great on fence board replacement here. I'm going to take off my shades here because I'm under the shade of the trees here, these big oak trees. But you can see we've got a couple of fence boards that are not doing so hot here. And periodically I'll buy some boards and replace. All right, very good. So I'm going to keep working on this project here, but you can see right here that the Ryobi 18 volt One Plus cordless drill definitely is up for the task. So if you're looking for a lightweight drill, it's heavy duty that can get the work done around your house or your job or whatever you're doing, you might want to check one of these out.